I have always been fascinated with horror games. I enjoy horror that focuses on fear created by the mind rather than just visual monsters. I also had personal experience in a workplace where I felt the presence of ghosts. Not something I could see, but something I could feel. There were moments of sudden cold air, strange sounds, and an uncomfortable feeling of being watched, even when I was alone. This experiment stays in my mind because the fear came from not seeing anything, yet knowing something might be there. Because of that, I wanted to recreate the same feeling in a game, a fear-based atmosphere, sound, and imagination. That idea became Whispers in the Dark. Whispers in the yeah. Whispers in the Dark is a 3D horror exploration game where the player wakes up inside an abandoned building and must survive while uncovering its dark secrets. The main focus is psychological fear rather than jump scare and action. Next one. Game style. Yeah. Next. Hindi, dito pa rin. Next ba? Yan. Okay. Hindi, yung next mo. Game style. 3D pixel horror genre, horror, psychological, survival, atmosphere, dark, minimal UI, and slow tension. Pang wala ako. The game focuses on survival mechanics like limited flashlight battery, enemies that react to sound and light, and puzzle-based progression. The player's choices affect the ending. Next one. The game's setting. The entire game takes place inside an abandoned building as the player progresses. The environment changes subtly, making the building feel alive and dangerous. Characters. There are four main character types. The player is the survivor, the whisperer is a shadow entity that stalks silently, echo spirits appear briefly, and memory shadows represent the past victim of the building. Next. The story overview. The story follows a player who wakes up with no memory. As they explore, they learn that everyone who entered the building disappeared. The whispers are actually memories of lost souls, and the player must choose whether to escape or stay forever. Key game elements. The game focuses on survival mechanics like limited flashlight battery, enemies that sound light, and puzzle-based progression. The player's choice affect the ending. Next. How to play. The player moves using WASD, uses the flashlight to see, hides in shadows, avoid noise, and solve puzzles to unlock. Uniqueness. Unlike typical horror games, this game focuses on psychological fear using in conclusion, Whispers in the Dark is a psychological horror game that focuses on fear, story, and atmosphere. It offers players a unique horror experience where every sound and shadow matters.
Bali kasi nabili yung 2D horror. Pero kasi di ba nasimulan ko na yung 3D?
Ah,
Kaya i-3D ko na lang. Sabi ni sir, pwede daw kasi i-3D. Mas ano daw yun eh.
mas okay.
Mas maganda kung kakayanin.
Ah. Anong,
Oo, kaso hindi ko naman
ano magiging language naman natin?
pare-parehas lang siya C#. Pero gamit ko kasi Unity. Wala siyang wala siyang character kasi first person siya eh.
Hindi, yung ano, yung,
Kamay lang yung nakikita mo.
yung multo mismo, yung nakakatakot mismo.
Parang lang, anino.
Anino lang?
Itim lang.
Wicked 3D.
Oo, parang usok.
Puso. Bagay.
Oo, susundan ko usok ganun. Ano siya, wala siyang jumpscare. Parang sound lang. Yung lang. Ba't wala naman na-jumpscare sa totoong buhay eh. Yung pakiramdam mo lang yung nakakatakot, di ba?
Pero mas maganda pa rin
May mga may mga naririnig ka lang.
Pag natakot si Sir, ibig sabihin, maganda yung pagkakagawa. Mga laman na.
Eh, yung mga nasimulan ko,
Pati na ako
nung nakaraan. Kasi kailangan daw 20% eh.
Sige nga.
Eh, feeling ko 20% na yung mga yun eh.
Baka
Yung pinaka-importante lang. Video lang siya.
sige. C-sharp ginamit mo?
Oo. Bale sa Boomit yung lang yan. WASD.
WSD. Walang
Tapos
jump?
yung sprint. Meron rin siyang jump. Pero baka tanggalin yung jump.
Ganda na, okay na.
Yung
Ano yung tag dito? Shift yung sprint.
may sprint rin siya.
Walang walk?
Walk pag W lang.
Hindi, yung pag tahimik lang na walk.
Dor-
Kasi nga may ano eh.
Ayun nga. Yung,
dapat
wala pa
may
siyang footsteps eh.
jumpscare, pero hindi ganun ka nakakatakot na lang. Para mas may thrill.
Pwede naman.
Tapos may,
Kasi kailangan kabahan muna eh.
kakabahan ka muna. Pero sa halimbawa sa by level kunwari, parang sa unang level, lagyan na lang natin ng walang jumpscare. Tapos pangalawa, pangatlo, magkakaroon na pa yan. Tapos pahirap yung quest. May quest ba yan?
Wala siyang quest.
Paano yan? Ano yung pinaka-ano niya?
Nag-i-imbestiga lang sa building.
Yun na yung pinaka-quest niya. Paghahanap lang naman.
Oo. Bale may mga susunod na sa'yo. Parang puzzle. Pero yun nga, okay na yung movement natin. Hindi na mahirap yung movement eh.
Madali.
Tapos yung yung flashlight. Flashlight, importante rin yung flashlight.
Ah,
Yan pala yung interaction na nalalagay ko eh. Pag mag-open ka ng flashlight, yung F key.
yung?
F key.
FE?
F key.
Okay.
Dynamic na yung flashlight niya, angas nga eh. Ganda mag-Unity.
Oo,
Automatic na siya. Parang nakakatakot na nga eh, oh. Ganyan ba lang, oh.
Oo.
Wala bang texture yan.
Tense na agad.
Tapos parang ang dilim pa yan, oh.
Nice.
Hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko pa ng ilaw eh.
Hindi talaga siya, horror. Parang suspense lang talaga.
Oo, suspense siya.
Okay.
Kasi may susunod sa'yo eh. Tapos mag-aan ka ng puzzle.
Oo. Parang may oras kang inaano.
Tapos yung next na sinisimulan ko yung yung lugar na. Feeling ko dito kasi mahirapan eh. Kasi kailangan ng 3D model.
Yung lugar.
Yung map. Masyado rin malaki.
Kung kailangan malaki talaga yun kasi investigation eh.
Bali nile-layoutan ko pa lang. Kulang pa nga yata yun eh. Saka yung ano, yung code ng pintuan. Ayun, makikita mo dyan. Hindi kasi nagpa-function na maayos yung pintuan ah.
Madali na lang yan. Design na lang.
Ay, lalagyan-
ano, ilalagay.
Lalagyan ko lang ng ano, ng pader, tapos sa ceiling. Di ba pwede na? Tapos
Oo.
kung ano yung puzzle,
Kung ano yung gagawin. Diba, magkano?
objective, yung susunod sa'yo.
Oo. Yung mga objects na lang na kailangan. Oo, konti na
Bali.
lang yung kulang.
Yung next sa 20% yung map. Tapos yung kalaban.
Oo.
Tapos ididibag na lang. Bali yung pinakamahirap talaga dyan yung ano, yung map.
Oo, yung gano'ng kalaki tas yung design ng map.
Yung time consuming kasi map. Hindi, kahit ano, blankong lugar na lang. Gawin na lang nakakatakot, madilim.
Dapat yung entrance, ano eh, ay yung start ng game, yung parang papasok pa lang siya sa lugar. Sa bahay.
Hindi kasi yung nasa story nun sa ano yung proposal, nagising na lang eh.
Ah, nagising na lang siya.
Oo. Bigla na lang nagising.
Nilooban.
Gagawa na lang ng animation ng ano. Parang
Kagigising
gumising, galing sa sahig.
Oo.
Patayo, ganun.
Pwede.
Yan na lang yung gagawin.